Hi guys, it's the Colors Band, and I just feel like with everything you're going through right now, I just want to say it's gonna be alright. Alright? So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, one time. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds paced by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. They singing, this is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing, yeah, every little thing is gonna be alright. Because I know sometimes it be like say nobody send you that one I like. I did for you, my friend. Or me atata, you always stay in my mind. Pardon me, gone. I cherish you with my life. No worry yourself, everything go there alright. And if anybody try you, you know it's gonna be on sight. See my shoulders, make you rest upon me. You know I got you. Now me be your friend. When the money goes show now, I go keep some for you. You know go so far, 'cause everything I get now from being you, yeah. Okay, one time. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds